And next topic is Hamming code. Hamming code is not only provides the bit error and also identify the which bit is an error, so that we have to find out the which bit is an error. Okay, not only provides the error detection and also provides the identify the which bit is an error. Okay, let us see the Hamming code. The formula is 2 power of p is greater than or equal to x plus p plus 1. Okay, here x is the information bits. Okay, the information bits are given problem is there. Okay, and next p is the parity bits. Here p is the parity bits. That is the parity bits are either even parity or odd parity. We have to find out the either even parity or odd parity. Okay, and next the parity bits are indicate the in powers of 2. Okay, p power of here 2 power of p. P is the parity bits. Parity bits are either even parity or odd parity. Here 2 power of p. Here p is considered 0, 1, 2, 3 up to. Okay, here the first p is considered 0. P1 position. In P1 position, the ones are present in first position. The ones are present in first position. That is the P1 position. In P1 position, ones are present in first position. In this binary bit location, here 1 is present in first position, that is P1. And next one is present in D3, and next one is present in D5 and D7. In P1 position bits, ones are present in first position, and next P2, in P2 position, ones are present in second position. Ones are present in second position, that is P2. Here 1 is present in second position. This is the second position, that is P2. And next 1 is present in second position, that is D3. And next one is present in D6 and D7. These are the P2 positions. Okay, and next see the P3 position. In P3 position, here ones are presenting third position. Ones are presenting third position, that is P3. Here 1 is present in third position, that is P4. Let us see P4 position, that is P4 position. The ones are present in third position. P4 equal to 1 is present in third position, and D5 and D6 and D7. D5, D6 and D7. These are the P4 position. Okay, in given problem, the information bits are 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Information bit is, that is X, is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is the formula Hamming code. Here the P is constraint. How many positions is a P? Let us P is constraint 3. Okay, 2 power of 3 is greater than or equal to X is the information bit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits. 4 plus P is considering 3 plus 1. Okay, 2 power of 3 is 8 is greater than or equal to 7 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, in given problem P is considering 3 value. Okay, so the P1, P2 and P4, information bit is 1011. 1011. Okay, we have to find out the P1, P2, P3. P is considering 3 bits. Oh, this is satisfies this condition. So P is considering 3. Okay, here the P1 position bits. What are the P1 position bits? P1, and this is the P1 position. P1, D3, D5, D7. Okay, here P1, D3 bit is 1, D5 bit is 1, D7 bit is 1. Here the number of ones are, check it, here 3 ones is there. So this is odd. In given problem, you have to find out the even parity. Okay, here P1 is considering 1. Here number of ones are 4. So P1 is 1. And next find out the P2 position. In P2 position, what are the bits here? P2, D3, D6 and D7. Okay, here P2, we have to find out the P2. D3 bit is 1, D6 bit is 0, D7 bit is 1. D3 is 1, D6 is 0, D7 is 1. Here number of ones are 2 ones is there. So this is the even parity. So P2 bit is 0. And next P4 position. Here P4 position, P4, you have to find out. D5 is 1, D6 is 0, D7 bit is 1. Here the number of ones are 2. So P4 is considering 0. P4 is 0. Okay, here the P1 bit is 1, P2 bit is 0 and P4 bit is 0. Okay, P1 is 1, P2 is 0 and P4 is 0. Okay, these are the parity bits, is the even parity. Okay, and finally the information bit is, so finally the bit is P1 is 1, 0, P2, D3 is 1 and P4 is 0, D5 is 1, D6 is 0 and D7 is 1. Okay, and this is the final bit. This is the Hamming code. By here the given problem is the even parity. Okay.